Hey guys, we're going to look at the E position for the Phrygian. Now we've got an open version of that, so that's a bit of a classic Jaws number there. It's got the flat 9 in there. Alright, so it's 013 and then 023, 023. So real simple open version. Alright, great sounding. Now, not going to take you long to work that one out. What we really want to focus on is up on this 12th fret. So this is the more movable one. And if we think about it, we're going to have our real Jaws note there. So, and now this is definitely one I'd be playing up in the upright position. But let's see how we go for the video. Now, we've got 12, 13, 15, then 12, 14, 15, 12, 14. There's your octave turnaround point, 15, and back. Now the great thing there is you're really quite quick. It's a super fast scale. And it sounds great. All right, what we want to do is really pull in an arpeggio for that because it's so cool. Standard arpeggio, first, third, fifth, seventh, but our ninth is the flat ninth. So we're going to have a really awesome, really easy as well. So you can easily nail that one. So really easy to pick up this first part. We can nail that. Now this is level 6, so that stuff's way too easy. Let's look at our second octave. So if we run up, you'll notice now, as we said, we're gluing all these together. Really, this is just that A minor scale. All right, so we're going to extend this out. So it's really going to be a nice run. Up and back. Shouldn't be too hard. It should be familiar with that scale. So we're really just adding 3 notes on the top. And we'll run that again. And once more. Now, let's go for a little bit of speed with this one. 2, 3, 4. It's a great one to run through. And of course, as I said, move it about and all of a sudden you've got a great Phrygian anywhere. So we've got that. What do we do for an arpeggio? Now, with 2-octave arpeggios, it doesn't really work if you're jumping up to that ninth. So we've got to do the first arpeggio as a standard 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. And then our second one is going to be, okay, so there's our octave, there's our 3 on the 12th fret, flatten for the 5, out for the 7, there's our flat 9, which is the really cool feature note, right up high and back. Alright, run through that again nice and slow. And again. All right, a little bit faster. And again. Alright, that'll give you a fair bit to play around with, okay? Running up full 2-octave scale, get the arpeggio down as well. I'm not a huge fan of that 2-octave arpeggio. I really like the 1-octave one, so play around with that as well. But give it a practice and get your speed up on it, because you can be running in your minor key and then use that to run straight down into that Phrygian mode, and it will sound fantastic. We'll leave it there. I'll see you next time.